everyone, today Candy will show you our mini 3D printer extruder machine to you. This is the mini 3D printer filament extruder machine. The capacity around 1 or 2 kg per hour. Here you can see the raw material. This is PLA and the PLC control system. And this one for the main extruder mode. This mode can produce 1.75 and 3 mm filament. And this one here is hot water tank and cold water tank. This is laser control system and cooler system. And here is the window machine.